This is the Edo Power String Trimmer. This is the cordless 15-inch model. I just unboxed this and put it together. It took me probably 10 minutes to get it out of the box, get it together. Just a really nice edger. I'm switching over from a gas-powered edger that just was not running very well anymore. I just wanted to switch to something battery-operated. And from all of the positive reviews online, that's why I chose this one. Just looks like a really great edger. You can see here the battery. It's pretty big. It's got a really nice size battery. Everything I read online, it looks like this lasts for about 45 minutes. Plenty of use to use on a backyard area, what I'm looking to do here. So 45-minute charge for each power cycle is really good. 15 inches is exactly what I was looking for. It's just got a really nice, the trimmer feed looks really easy to use. It's not like a cartridge. It's just something you have to like install. So it's not like you have to load the cartridge each time. It looks really user friendly here. It's got this handle that went on really nice. It's got, this is where it's like, you put the screw in here and that's where you extend it out of the box. So it's very easy. Just pretty much one screw is all you have to really install here. And then you have to install the plastic piece at the back right here, that guard, and then the handle right here. So again, it did not take long to build this. This is the battery charger here, and this is the instruction pack and the extra trimmer line coils that comes with it. I did pick up one of these with it too, so I have the extra trimmer lines here. So these look really nice and user friendly. 14 feet by 5 rolls here, so definitely want to probably pick one of these up with it because this is what they give you from inside the box. So you have all these extra ones here. So definitely want to check this out. It's the Edo Power String 15-inch trimmer. Looks like a really great item.